Welcome, thanks for joining me. This is the online manual of the TQC Sheen Bresle test kit. What will we measure with the TQC Sheen Bresle test kit? It's a user-friendly test kit for determining the amount of water-soluble salts on blasted surfaces prior to the application of coatings. The unique method, according to ISO 8502 Part 6 and Part 9 standards, immediately shows results in milligrams per square meter soluble salts measured as sodium chloride. You take the Bresle patch in one hand and with the other hand remove the protective layer from the back of the patch. Press the Bresle patch firmly onto the substrate so that all excess air is removed. Take the digital conductivity meter from the Bresle test kit. Remove the protective cover. Then take the demineralized water out of the bottle with the syringe supplied. Fill the syringe with demineralized water up to 2.5 milliliters. Make sure that no air is left in the syringe. Turn on the digital conductivity meter. Inject the water into the electrode until it runs over. Read the value shown in the display of the conductivity meter. In this case, it is A is 4.1. Write down this value and empty the syringe. Empty the syringe and the digital conductivity meter. Extract the demineralized water from the bottle with the syringe. Fill the syringe completely with demineralized water. Flush the demineralized water to a level of 2.5 milliliters. Make sure that no air is left in the syringe. Inject the demineralized water into the Bresle patch through the membrane and foam edge at an angle of approximately 30 degrees. Tap the Bresle patch membrane for 90 seconds and distribute the demineralized water. Repeat the procedure of inserting the demineralized water and removing it 4 times. After the 4th time, you take the demineralized water out of the Bresle patch. Extract the demineralized water from the Bresle patch. Turn the digital conductivity meter back on. Inject the demineralized water extracted from the Bresle patch into the electrode until it runs over. Again, read the value on the display that measures the conductivity. In this case, the value B is 32.3. Write down this value. The digital conductivity meter is used to determine the concentration of water-soluble salts on the surface area. Read the value that you measured with the conductivity meter on the display. In this case, it is B is 32.3. Then make the calculation to measure the concentration. Value B, 32.3, minus A, 4.1, is 28.2 microsiemens per centimeter. If you need the density of the salt on the surface, the conversion factor is 1. Thus, 28.2 microsiemens per centimeter is 28.2 milligrams per square meter water-soluble salts, measured as sodium chloride. After the test, you can remove the TQC Sheen Bresle patch from the test area. As you can see, it leaves no residue despite the strong adhesive on the patch. Thank you for watching our video. Keep following us.